Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm back with another tutorial on how to create Telegram channel. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Tap open your Telegram app to begin. Log into your account if necessary, and once you do that, tap on the pencil icon located at the bottom right hand corner from the main home page. At the very top, you should see an option that says New Channel. Tap it on and tap on Create Channel on the next page. Creating a Telegram channel is a great way to get your messages across to a large group of people. Upload a picture for your Telegram channel by tapping on the camera icon with a plus in it at the upper left. Allow Telegram to take pictures and record video by tapping on Allow. Select a picture from your camera library by tapping on any picture of your choice. Set the picture by adjusting it in the right place. Once you select a picture, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Once a picture has been uploaded, type in the name for your channel, right where it says channel name. You can also go ahead and add in a description that best describes your channel into the description text box. Also, you can add emoji by tapping on the emoji icon right beside your channel name. And once you're done, tap the tick mark at the upper right hand. Go ahead and decide if your channel is going to be a private or a public channel. If it is a public, select public channel from the list. If you want to keep it private so that it can be only joined via an invite link, tap on private channel and your invite link will be popped up right beneath. Copy your invitation link by tapping on copy and send it to one of your contacts to join in. You can also share the link by tapping on share and sending it to anyone that you want to add. For public channel, go ahead and set a permanent link right where it says public link so that other people will be able to find and join your channel. You can use A to Z characters or numbers and underscores for your public link. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the upper right hand corner. Add subscribers for your channel from your contact list by tapping on them and tap in the arrow button at the bottom right. And there you have created a very new Telegram channel. If you want to add more people in the channel, you can tap on your channel name at the very top and tap on the subscribers button right under members. Tap on Add Subscribers and select more contact that you'd like to add. That was how you can easily create a Telegram channel. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.